guys? It's your boy Thunder MZ, and today we're here on NBA 2K16, and look at this new park. Look at this new park that we just won. Oh my goodness. It's been a long journey from 2K15 to 2K16, man. We came in last place on 2K15, and then this time we took the victory. I mean, it was a close. It was 23 to 22 to like 7, 14, something like that. And oh my goodness, I'm just so happy we finally won. And you see all these like new people now switching. You see them? Look, now they want to switch and everything, but they don't want to be with Rivet City since the start. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. You know, we done won this park. I'm happy. Look at it. Just beautiful. We got a 5-game win streak by the Ballers. I mean, the only thing I think we missing is that 4v4. I wish we would have got the 4v4 too. But you know, I ain't complaining because this park is nice. This park is sick. Look, we're under a skyscraper. Over. You can look down. That's pretty sick.